No, Kenya's most prominent marathon runner of all time, Eliud Kipchoge, has been dragged to court over a multi-million property dispute. Kipchoge has been dragged to court together with three others over the ownership of a property valued at 100 million Kenyan shillings. The suit has been filed by Joyce Kimosop, who is the wife of athlete Daniel Komen. She alleges that Komen sold the multi-million property to, among others, Kipchoge without consulting her. She says that the property was part of the matrimonial property. Apart from Kipchoge, Komen's wife has also dragged to court businessmen Felix Kipchoge Lagat and Peter Kipsigei Lagat. The property is the agricultural land measuring 200 acres that is registered as southern east of Eldoret municipality in Uasin Gishu County. Ms. Komen, who is a senior lecturer at Moi University in Eldoret, claims that the land was sold at just 10 million Kenyan shillings, even though it is valued at 100 million Kenyan shillings. Ms. Komen tells the court that the disputed property was acquired and developed by joint effort of the couple during their marriage. It was, however, registered in the name of her husband in the trust of the family. In his response, the husband Kelvin has agreed that he sold the land to Kipchoge and the other three individuals. However, he says that his wife consented to the sale of the land. Kelvin adds that he sold to former world marathon record holder Bremen Kipruto jointly 120 acres and not 150 acres is alleged by his wife. He sold another 50 acres to the third defendant and 20 acres to the fourth defendant, but his wife has asked the court to determine whether the purported transaction conducted on February 8, 2012 between her husband and other defendants is a clear violation of her constitutional rights. She also wants the court to determine whether the purported transaction is a nullity for violating clear provisions of the law. In addition, she wants the court to determine whether, as a spouse, she is entitled to an equal share of the property in question and whether she is entitled to costs and any other reliefs. This is Cuban News.